Ba? Why did they not do this before? Why only now? Abi na eleksyon na ito. So it's highly political.
Aksyon Balita!
First, pagkita ang ebidensya, o na, no? May kanamong sila, more political season ron, no? So everybody will accuse everybody. Diba? Why did they not do this before? Why only now? Abi na eleksyon na ito. So it's highly political. Then, if they have proof, then let it, then give them the proof. If you have to bring them to court, then bring him to court. Kung hindi allegations at na kay proof. Proof is, sabi siya kalakalang inuti ka, nangawat ka, pero siya ako proof, hindi mo nangawat ka. So, kailangan dyan na kay proof ana nga, tinuon na nga, dili ka allegation, dili po na perception rin, gatuo ko kay muna, gawa mo gani buhata, who are you to say that? Who are us to say that? You get the proof. As always, the proof of the pudding is in the making. You have the proof. Dapat yun ang papilisan. Dapat yung true nga. Kaya allegations, we can tell anybody that they're all corrupt. We can tell everybody they're all handsome. They're all corrupt. I'm the only one handsome guy.
So there's proof.
There's proof. Diba? The proof of the pudding is in the making. Pasabutan na, hindi kami will not rely on allegations. Diba? Ato ang ipakita ang tinuod ba dyan na? Pura man na. I mean, ano yung matinood dyan, you cannot get away from it because it's may paper trail na man dyan natin na kupito mo natin na. Siguro siya na ito, nga ba, you get the proof. Huwag na adiwa tayo mahimo, then you bring that to court. Huwag kayo proof, huwag kayo mahimo for allegations. You cannot, we cannot. Ilagay pag-allegate. Allegations, ay sos, kung natablaw na ito. 24 years na kung niagay allegations.
Thank you, Congressman.
Sige.
Aksyon Balita! Walay pugong-pugong mubulgar sa kamatuuran sa kanginan.